really cannot wait to have a cup of coffee here or a cocktail. It's going to be stunning to see the lights on these buildings tonight. But anyway, this is a little lounger that's in this kind of outdoor, indoor balcony area. And I've got a canal view. So yeah, I'm spoiled. And I'm glad I'm able to do this.
Lately.
You let me know. So, Miss Michelle, I just want to welcome you as well to St Regis. Thank you for choosing your special occasion with us. My name is Alvaro, one of your butlers. This is on behalf of your whole butler team.
Wow.
So if you need any assistance, just dial 0 on your phone and we'll come right away. Have a wonderful stay with us. Enjoy your retirement and congratulations.
Thank you. Can you tell me real quickly about your butler service?
Of
I'm not
course.
sure I understand what
Oh,
that
yeah,
all
of
is.
course. My pleasure, Miss Michelle. So, since you just checked in today, maybe you wanted assistance with unpacking your bags as well as packing them once you're checking out. We can set it up real nice on your wardrobe. Also, during your check-in, you can enjoy your complimentary beverage, which is Americano, espresso, single, or double shot, iced Americano, or one of our many teas. It's ginger, peppermint, jasmine, Earl Grey, chamomile, or green tea. Also, you have pressing complimentary, so if maybe you want us to press or to iron some of your clothes, you can give us 2 pieces per person per day, and we'll return it to iron in about 2 hours. Other than that, you just dial 0 on your phone, and we'll assist you immediately. Oh, and the bubble bath. If you want to enjoy a very nice bubble bath, we can make that arrangement for you as well.
That
Other
sounds
than that,
wonderful.
Michelle will be here to assist you in any of your requests. Just dial 0 on your phone, and we'll be here in maximum 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Enjoy and congratulations again.
Thank you.
Miss Michelle, a pleasure to meet you.